Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner and I am a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Normally my videos consist of real estate tours, anywhere from 3 to 5 properties. But today we're doing things a little bit different. These properties in this video today are my listings. We have 6 condo units in El Limon, which is halfway between San Juan Cosala and Jocotepec. And I am in love with these condos. I love them so much. I would totally have one for myself. The views in each one are spectacular and a lot of the walls are windows. So that makes the view even better. And you're so close to the lake. I mean, it's only like a block away from the lake. And in the units higher up, it's almost like your condo unit is on the water. So it's very nice. There are 6 units for sale, but there are 12 total in the building. There's also a parking space for each one of these units in the underground garage, except for unit 11 has a parking space in front of the building. All right, and real quick before we get started, please don't forget to like this video if it brought you joy. No, I'm just kidding. If it brought you some useful information, if you just like hearing me talk like I do. And please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments down below if you have any questions. If you would like your question answered in detail in the next video, you can leave a super thanks and I will give you all the deets face to face in my next video. Feel free to visit my website at therealamandaturner.com where you will find a link to our bed and breakfast and our cafe. And I feel like I sound like a broken record, but we just won Best of Lake Chapala for the 2nd year in a row for best coffee and best bed and breakfast. And we're located in Ajijic Centro. So if you're coming down, we'd love it if you stay with us. And then if you're a local, visit the cafe. We're open every day, 8 to 8 to the public. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And if you are looking to buy or sell property in the Lake Chapala area, please contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. I can take you on tour. If you're not in town, I can send you listings that are in your price range. And if you're looking to sell, I can come take a look at your property and let you know how much your home could sell for. And then we can get it on the market and we can market it and we can sell that baby. Okay, first thing we're taking a look at on these properties today is the common areas. The common areas are actually very nice. You've got a gym, you've got a couple of bathrooms with showers downstairs, full kitchen with tables and chairs, pool table, little office area if you need some privacy to work online. There's Wi-Fi down there, heated pool, heated jacuzzi, an outdoor barbecue and rotisserie. The entrance is also handicapped accessible. So there is a ramp once you walk in the front door of this condominium complex, and there is an elevator. Also, all doorways in the entire property are wide enough for wheelchairs. All right, let's go on tour. First unit we're looking at is listed at $256,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 128 square meters or 1,378 square feet. Your HOA, like I said in the beginning, is 3,000 pesos a month. There is a lake and mountain view. It does not come furnished, and this entire condominium complex is located in El Limon. Unit 4 is listed at $269,000 US. It is the exact same layout as Unit 1, but it is on the level above, which creates a little bit better views, and that is why the price increase. It is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on one level. It does not come furnished, but this is the showroom unit, and you do have the option to purchase the furniture separately. Unit 6 is listed at $269,000 US as well. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on one level. Your construction size is just a tad bit smaller than the last two at 125 square meters or 1,345 square feet. The price is the same because the views in this one are much better than the last one. You've got that 2 full walls in the living room of just glass with great views. Alrighty, this is Unit 7 on the next level above Unit 4, and it's listed at $285,000 US. It is also a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on one level. Construction size is 128 square meters or 1,378 square feet.
Sin el amor no hay vida. Sin el amor.
Here we are at Unit 10. This property is listed at $293,000 US. It is also a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 1 level. This is the master bedroom we're in. Look at all those windows and that view. Oh my God. Okay, last but not least, actually it is the least priced unit at $234,000 US. It is also a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 1 level. It is the smallest unit available at 103 square meters or 1,114 square feet. And this is the unit that has the parking space in the front of the building instead of in the parking garage. So you would park in the front, come in the front gate, and then go into the common area, go to the elevator, take the stairs up to this level. All right, everybody, here are our condos right here. As you will notice, it is located pretty much right here on the carretera, and which means for a very easy in and out access. And one quick thing I want to mention, the highway doesn't really get congested through here. Maybe when you get into San Juan Cosala, this direction east, it gets a little bit congested, but nothing crazy, not like Ajijic. So, and then also when you're going into Jocotepec, which is right here, it's not congested in this area either. This is a bypass. So if you took this highway down, this is a bypass to Guadalajara. You go up here and you can get to Guadalajara from right there. So you don't have to go through Ajijic and Chapala to go into Guadalajara. Okay, let's see what's near us. Obviously, like I said, you're about a block away from the lake. There is no lake access here, but there will be in San Juan Cosala and to the west in Jocotepec. Most of this is residential through here. You will find some businesses scattered throughout, but if you want to do a little bit more shopping and dining, you'll go into San Juan Cosala. And over here in San Juan Cosala, you've got the Racket Club, which is a very nice gated community. Inside the Racket Club, you'll find Monte Cosala, which is a thermal water spa, and it's the best one in the area. There are a lot of thermal water spas in this area. All of the water that comes into Racket Club is thermal water. And so they have, the spas that are down here. Thermal Cosala is a pretty popular one too. It's a little less expensive than the one in the Racket Club. And they've got maybe like 6 to 7 different pools that you can soak in the thermal water, which has a lot of anti-inflammatory healing properties. So that's nice. So here's the condo here. Your emergency services will all come from Jocotepec. You are within the municipality of Joco. It's kind of split between... so like right here is kind of the cutoff for this area being Joco and this area being Chapala, including Ajijic and Riberas and San Antonio. They are all within the municipality of Chapala. So then all of this area is the municipality of Jocotepec. Grocery shopping can either be done over here at Pancho's, which is just outside of La Reserva, or you can go into San Juan Cosala. You might not find everything you need in San Juan Cosala because it's kind of a smaller town. But then you can go over here to Joco, and they've got bigger grocery stores through here. You can also take this back way into Guadalajara to go to the Costco. Let me see how long it would take you to get there. Today is a Thursday at 3:40 p.m., and it would take you 1 hour, 17 minutes to get to the Costco in Guadalajara. And this is at the Gallerias area where there's a very nice mall in here, food court. What do they have in there? They have a cheesecake factory. A lot of good shopping, and that whole area through there, you have a Home Depot in there too, so that's kind of nice. So major city type stuff. Let's check out how long it would take you to get to Jocotepec Centro. It's about a 12-minute drive into Joco. And if you were to go into Ajijic from this condo complex, it would take you 23 minutes. And if we were to go into Chapala Centro, 42 minutes. Last thing I want to check is the airport, how long it would take. It would take you about an hour to get there from this location. Okay, everybody, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in these condominium complexes, you can email me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.